In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer AXS from Binance to Ronin step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to wallet here and click overview. And then click withdraw. Then click here, click Axie Infinity. And then go to your Ronin wallet, copy the address, then paste it here. So you will gonna need to change this into 0x and then choose Ronin because we are using Ronin wallet and Ronin network. Click here, and then type the amount of Axie Infinity you want to send, but make sure it is 0.2 and above. Then choose your wallet. If you have your funds in spot wallet, click here, and if you have your funds in funding wallet, click here. For example, I want to send 0.5 Axie Infinity, and then I will receive this amount of Axie Infinity in my Ronin wallet. Then click withdraw, click continue, and then you're gonna need to go through security verification by typing your authenticator code, email verification code, and the phone number verification code. Then click submit and wait for the transaction to be completed. Then once the transaction is completed, you can go back to Ronin wallet and check if you have received the Axie Infinity in your Ronin wallet. And if you have any questions about how to transfer Axie Infinity from Binance to Ronin, leave a comment below.